I am going to show you how I tame this crazy, thick, frizzy hair with one tool. I am going to use my John Frieda hot air brush, and one of my friends, Angela, turned me on to this. We were out one night and I was like, what did you do to your hair? It looks like silk, it looks amazing. And she told me about this. So I figured the ultimate test would be this hair right here. And believe it or not, this is how my hair has always been since I was a kid. It's always had this coarse, thick frizziness to my hair, even when I was younger. I've almost got all of the bleach damage cut off of my hair, and this is 10 months of natural gray. So I'm getting really excited. It's getting so much healthier. And even before I had this little bleach disaster, I still had to use a lot of products on my hair to smooth it out and styling tools. And then I found this one. Now, I actually used something like this years ago, but it never performed like this. It was never this amazing. So I will show you exactly what I do. When my hair is wet, I use my Suave Moroccan Infusion Argan Oil, and I put that through my hair, and I use my Smooth and Shine polishing spray and spray that on my hair. And I'm also going to use an extra heat protector. This is Vidal Sassoon Pro Series Heat Protect and Shine, and I will link all of these products below in the description box for you, and I'll use the exact links where I purchased them. So I've already put the other two products in, and here we go. I'm going to turn this on to high. It's got off, low, high, cool. So I'm going to be doing this on high. And it blows hot air out of these vents. So already that quick, you can see the magic that this hot air tool does to your hair. It is so soft and shiny, it's amazing. And you can see how crazy frizzy this side is and how nice and smooth the other side is now. You can actually make it curlier if you want, or straighter. Because my hair is shorter, I don't really like it that curly, so I'm keeping it more straight like that. I will finish the other side. Baby, I know from the spot, I really like this a lot. Yeah, and we knew what was going down. Yeah, left the others without a sound. Couldn't wait till we got outside. Couldn't wait to get home. Taking it slow, slow, slow. No, I put in the work, work, work. Then we go the flow, flow, flow. one tool, super simple. I am hooked on this, and this works for short or long hair. It doesn't matter what length your hair is. Just when you brush it through, it smooths out the cuticle and creates miracles. Honestly, you guys saw the before. Frizz head, I've used a curling iron and a flat iron before, and this literally does both better than both of them put together. Now I like to just add some hairspray. I'm using my Dove hairspray. Done. Super quick and easy. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.